Hola friends, it's me Sofia, and today we're cooking un caldo de camarón, which is a shrimp soup, and it is delicious. And we're using nothing but the best, Philly seafood shrimp. Así es que, órale friends, let's get cooking. Friends, as y'all know, I love me a family-owned, operated company. And Philly Seafood is one of them. And guess what? They're here in Texas. Let's get our shrimp cleaned. And now, we are going to peel and devein our beautiful, sustainably wild-caught shrimp. Also, Philly Seafood Shrimp is a product of USA. And as y'all know, friends, good shrimp makes a difference on any recipe. Look at this. Son camarones de alta calidad. Calidad de la buena, okay? And now we are going to devein our shrimp. You can devein your shrimp any way you like, okay? Today, I'm gonna use a knife. Sometimes I use a toothpick. Sometimes I use the fork. Today, I'm using the knife. Cut in the back. And so you can see right there, it's very easy to find. Have a napkin. It'd be easier to just slam it on the napkin. And also, friends, here in Texas, you can find Philly seafood shrimp at HEB, Albertsons, and also Sprouts Farmers Market. Now we are going to add our peel to a pan, a hot pan, all of it. This is going to be our broth, and it's going to be delicious, okay? So, dele la vueltecita, just stir for a minute or so. This is gonna make such a good broth, okay? Now, we're going to add 8 cups of water. And we're gonna let this boil for a good 15 minutes. You need a big potato, and if you don't have a big potato, get you a couple of potatoes. We're gonna peel this potato. We're also gonna cut it into bite sizes. Potato peel and dice in bite sizes. Put them in cold water. You're gonna need 3 carrots. We're gonna peel them and we're gonna dice. Cut your carrots into bite sizes, friends, okay? Not too thick, not too thin. This is what we're looking for. With our celery, make sure you wash it, okay? We're gonna cut it thin and small. Okay. We are going to do the same with our zucchini. Cut it the long ways, and then just cut it in half moons. Not too thick, not too thin. Get you fresh green beans, cut the ends, and cut it, yes, you guessed it, friends, bite sizes. Okay? And set them aside. I have 2 corn on the cob. I like to cut mine into small pieces. There. And done. You're gonna need 4 tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes. Just cut them up in big pieces. Doesn't matter how. Just cut them up. And also cut half of a white onion. Half. Okay? We're just gonna cut it up in chunks. Así. Unos grandotes y unos chiquitos. It doesn't matter. We're gonna stir fry this. Friends, for our sauce, para nuestra salsa, para el caldo, we're going to need 8 dry guajillo peppers, okay? We are gonna cut, and we are going to take all the seeds out, okay? Just like this. We have also 1 chile ancho. This is the chile ancho. And since we like it spicy, this is completely optional. I have 5 chile de árbol. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add it. In a pan, get you about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it get hot. Add your tomatoes and your onion. And we're going to saute this for a couple of minutes, okay? After 3 minutes, we are going to add our garlic too. We're also going to add our guajillo chiles and our ancho chile. And we're gonna give them about a couple of minutes in here, okay? After 2 minutes, our chiles are ready. Now I'm gonna add the chile de árbol. You add this at the very end. And give them about a minute only. Mix all of this. Okay? And we are going to add 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. We're going to cover this up and we're going to allow them to stay here for at least 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now we are going to transfer all of this into our blender. We're going to pour everything, juice and all. For our sauce, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of shrimp Knorr, okay? 2 tablespoons. I also have a tablespoon of Mexican oregano. I'm also going to add this little jar of chipotle peppers. It's about 3 peppers in here. So 1, 2, 3. Well, no, it's more than that, friends. So we're only gonna go with 4. There. 4 peppers. Now we're gonna blend. In the same pan where we saute our tomatoes and onion, add another tablespoon of oil. Then add your potatoes. Add your carrots and celery. Also the green beans. We're gonna mix them all together. And we're gonna give them about between 2 and 3 minutes. Véngase para acá. After 3 minutes, we are going to remove this. Now we are going to strain our broth that we made with our shrimp peels, okay? Make sure you get all that goodness out, friends. Now we are going to strain our sauce, okay? And this goes fast. Some blenders are better than others. If you have a real good one, you might want to skip this step. And do not add this to your caldo, okay? We don't want this in our caldo. Okay, now we're gonna add 2 cups of water to our sauce, al caldo. Now we are gonna go ahead and add our corn. And we're gonna let this boil and we'll be back. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cumin, okay? And stir, stir, stir. Échale la vuelta, así, así. Eso. Okay. Before adding our veggies, go ahead and taste it just to see if it needs salt, anything. Mine doesn't need any. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the veggies. Yes, all of them. And we're gonna give them about, I think about between, I'll let you know here in a minute. It's gonna be between 5 and 8 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and my vegetables are almost done. So before they get all the way done, we're gonna add our zucchini. Our zucchini don't take long. So it should take only about 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our vegetables are done. So now we're gonna add our protein, or shrimp. Okay, friends, shrimp is only gonna go in here for 3 minutes. And remember that shrimp is very good in protein and low in calorie. And if you are trying, like many of us, to work on our New Year resolutions, this is perfect. 3 minutes. All right, friends, after 3 minutes, turn it off and we are going to remove from the stove. See that? Our shrimp is done. All right, we have removed our caldo and it is delicious and it's ready. So we are going to sprinkle some chopped up cilantro and let it set for about 5 minutes. And friends, 1, 2, y 3, y el caldo de camarón is ready. Not only pretty, but it's delicious. Okay? Échale un poquito de limón, a little bit of lime. Ah. Y ahora sí, a comer. Probadita, friends, probadita. Salió machine. Give this a try, friends. It's a must. Look at that shrimp. Otra probadita, friends. And don't forget, buy locally because that's the best we can do.